everyone, and welcome to another Hobby Australia box break. So just me by myself, we're opening up the brand new Scarlet and Violet Twilight Masquerade. Fresh product off the line for Pokemon. Got a nice little booster box today. Gonna jump right into ripping this one open. There's a few particular cards we are looking for today. It's going to be the illustration rare of Greninja, as well as we've got a couple of EXs, as well as a Gold Blood Moon. So just put this, where am I going to put this here for you. We'll just crack right through this. We'll get this nice and close so you can see. That's the base. We'll go through each one on the first pack, so you can get a good look of what all the cards there look like. Apologies, there's the reverse holo of Applin. There's the Abra reverse holo. Straight off the bat, we've got one of the full art trainers, Carmine. Nice little one there. It's definitely going in the hit pile. That's the energy and the code card there for anyone who wants to take it. So now that is, we know what the looks like. We will just crack right on through. Base, base, base. Snorlax in the reverse holo and Poliwrath into a Blissey EX. Look at that nice little design on that one. Gets a good shine on that. A couple more base and code cards. I'm going to try and make it so we don't have absolute mess going everywhere on this, but I will give it my best shot. Caretaker, Lampent, and Ting-Lu on the holographic. See my little piles slowly start forming in the front there, just so we keep track of exactly what we've hit. Base, base, and this is one of the, I'm gonna forget these names. Should be written on it somewhere. What am I forgetting here? Ace Spec. That's the Ace Spec Unfair Stamp. This is the Eevee, one of the very popular ones, I believe, for the set. That is the illustration rare on the Eevee and the holo. So already two very nice ones with the full art trainer and the Eevee. So hopefully we can have even better, but so there we go. So two reverse holos, just a holo. Really, when you're opening Pokemon, what you're looking for is the full arts. So holos and reverse holos, good for set building, but not really the one we're looking for. I believe we have just pulled the best one possible. So there we go. Just looking at the hit list here, that is the illustration rare alternate art Greninja EX. So a very nice one there. 214 of 167. Definitely going to be the hit of the box because it's the hit of the product. So nice one there to be hitting. Reverse holo, and a holo there. Might grab a quick, let's grab a sleeve for this guy. And let's give him a top loader. Might keep him protected. There we go. There's that one. We'll put him right. Let's keep him right here. You can always see him. Know what we pulled. Base, base, base. Rillaboom and Snorunt on the reverse holo and the on the holo. It's a bit of an anticlimax, but also good at the same time when you pull the best card possible right at the start. Mag Cargo EX. Couple of base. All of these cards will be available on the Hobby Australia website following the video. reverse hollows is the Arcanine. We always have singles available in store or online, depending on whereabouts you are based. Couple of reverse hollows, Mightyena and the Feebas. There's another EX. So one of the more full art ones. Very nice looking one there for, what is it? Ogerpon. Ogerpon EX. Not bad there. We're nearly approaching the halfway mark of box one. Tangela and Timber, one of the ancient hollows there. Still just going in the hollow pile. Not sure if we can pull another one of the big hits from this box, I would be very impressed, but we'll see how we go. We got 2 reverse hollows and a Zapdos hollow. Skip on through those base. Poltergeist, Goldeen, Frostlass on the holographic. 3 packs including this one, so we're at the halfway mark. There we go, that's the reverse hollow of the ancient. Alakazam on the reverse hollow. Screamtail EX to add to our EX collection. More base there. Melibot, another one of the popular ones. Fione, or Fione, I'm not sure. But that's going to be another one of the popular full art collections this year. Or for this set, sorry, not this year. Skip through all those base. Dreepy, Varoom, hollow. Correction, we had one more, he's all stuck up the back here. Two reverse hollows and a Justy hollow. That's just after halfway now. So halfway through the box, some definite nice hits. We can't complain about the first half of this one. I'm hoping the second half can live up anywhere near the standards of that first half, but I don't have hope. But we never know with this one. I want a Poltergeist, Glaceon, another hollow. Skip through. Two reverse hollows, another EX, another Ogerpon. We've got the, this will be the regular version EX, whereas I believe we got one of the full art ones. Probably getting that name wrong. Probably secret rare or illustration rare or something like that. Another one of the Ace Specs. Oh, we're off camera. Ace Specs Scoop Up Cyclone. A reverse hollow and a hollow. More base. Two reverse hollows and a Walking Wake. Two reverse hollows again. Another Alakazam. Got a couple of Alakazams already. Skip through. Minipede and Chimichar. Another Zapdos on the holographic. Two hollows again. Two reverses and a hollow. Hopefully we've at least got one or two box hits. There we go. There's another one of the nice ones. Another one, at least of my favourites of the set. That is Tatsugiri. Very nice little card there. Beautifully nice and cute design. Arcanine hollow. That's all it's all about with Pokemon. It's either got to be cute and nice looking, or something like that, very intense, or just good in the game. So we've got a lot of options. Two reverse hollows, another EX. Two reverses and a hollow. Same again, two reverses, holographic. Just looking for one, maybe one more. Let's get one more big hit. 2 reverses, holo. Looking for the Blood Moon Ursaluna or Ursaluna. If we can get that one, I reckon we'd be sitting on one of the best boxes of all time, but I wouldn't be complaining about that. So hopefully we can get one more big hit out of these ones. There's another EX in Dragapult EX. Couple of base cards. 3 packs to go, so not too much more. Got the reverse holo, reverse holo, another holographic. 2 left to go here in the booster box. Again, we go double reverse holo, holographic. Last one. Hoping to finish on a bang, but either way, we're not complaining. 2 reverse holos, and we finish on a reverse. So just a quick, we'll just quickly go through what we pulled. So we pulled the Tatsugiri on the illustration rare, I want to say. Fione, Dragapult EX, the very nice Eevee, Carmine. So definitely a lot of hits already, but the Greninja EX 214 of 167 illustration rare. Hit of the box, hit of the product. So very nice one there. So thank you guys for tuning in today. We will have all these singles hopefully up by the time you are viewing this video, up on the website on thehobbyaustralia.com.au. So thank you all for watching, and until next time, thank you.